How to know if someone is busy on a Snapchat call. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to know if someone is busy on a Snapchat call. So first thing, just open up your Snapchat application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now from over here, simply head over to your chat section, and once inside here, just select the chat in which you want to find out whether they are busy or not. So in this case, you cannot actually directly find out if they are busy or not, but there are some ways or trick you can do so to find out. So whenever you press on this call button at the top right corner, and if the call is interrupted or they are not able to join, then that probably means that they are busy. And if you are calling the particular person, whether it's an audio call or video call, and if the call continues to go on, they are probably inactive on Snapchat. So I hope that clears your doubt. And if this video was informational, if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.